Melissa, this is why we tell everybody to take a photograph before and after they have their scissors sharpened, and make the sharpeners take a photograph too. This work is so unacceptable. Follow our YouTube and read all the instructionals and the check charts. And this is why we photograph everything before and after with 3 times magnification. All right, so we'll clean these up and make sure they cut like new, and hopefully even better, okay? Melissa, all right, so you have the photos, and keep them for your records, and every time we sharpen them and get them back, make sure that they look the same. You don't want to see any, what do you call it, disfiguration in the blade, and any visible excess metal removed. All right, thanks for your trust. Appreciate you.